Saddam Hussein.
Saddam Hussein was a bad guy.
Saddam Hussein said, if anyone would attack the honor of a woman in my country, I would launch missiles on them. But no one took it seriously. He launched 42 missiles on them. Hello everyone, this is Abu Bakr, son of Ali Ahmad and student of Sir Sajid Sayyid. He ruled with power, ambition and absolute authority. To some, he was a symbol of strength. To others, a figure of fear. This is the story of Saddam Hussein, a leader whose decisions changed the course of Iraq's history. Saddam Hussein was the fifth president of Iraq. His name was marked by ups and downs, powerful rule and global conflicts. Saddam Hussein was born in 28 April 1937, a village called Al-Auja near Tikrit. He grew up in poverty after his father's death or separation. He raised by his uncle Khairullah Talfa. Political beginning, he joined the Ba'ath Party in 1957. In 1968, he became the vice president of the President Ahmad Hassan al-Bakr. Then, in 1979, he became the president of Iraq. Not vice president, he became the president of Iraq in 1979. After Ahmad Hassan al-Bakr's resignation, Saddam Hussein said, if anyone would attack the honor of a woman in my country, I would launch missiles on them. But no one took it seriously. A woman of Iraq who raped by the Iranian people. But Saddam Hussein didn't let the tears of his country's women go to the wind. He launched 42 missiles on them, on Iran at the night. And the war continued for 8 years, from 1918 to 1988. Just for a respect of women. Just for a woman. He killed millions of people. The US invasion, 2003. The US invaded in Iraq in 2003 under allegation possessing weapons and mass destruction. Later proved false. Now, if we talk about the achievement of Saddam Hussein, so the first one achievement of Saddam Hussein was modernization of Iraq. Saddam Hussein implemented the various modernization of Iraq, including infrastructure, development, healthcare, and education. And the second achievement of Saddam Hussein was oil nationalization. Saddam Hussein nationalized Iraq's oil factory, giving the country to control to its resources. Now the third achievement of Saddam Hussein was women rights. Saddam Hussein implemented the policies promoting women education and promoting and employment. First act of bravery of Saddam Hussein was resistance against Iran. Saddam Hussein militarily resisted Iran invasion during Iran-Iraq war from 1918 to 1988, as I mentioned. And the second act of bravery of Saddam Hussein was defense against US-led invasion. He refused to step down, and despite facing military intervention from the US-led coalition 2003, Saddam Hussein was captured by the US military. He captured in 13 December 2006. He captured from the secret bunker, underground bunker near Tikrit. The US military captured him. The mission to capture him, known as Red Dawn, and the US 4th Infantry Military carried out the mission. Then Saddam Hussein taken to the US military base near Baghdad. Then he handed over to Iraqi government. Execution. He hanged on the morning of Eid al-Adha, 30 December 2006. Crime. The killing of 148 Shia people in Dujail in 1989. Okay? And the last sentence were of Saddam Hussein. Alal kul musta'an. We seek help from Allah. And Tuhya Palestine, he was promoting the freedom for Palestine. And